We are going to continue our lesson, which is talking about the parts of plants and animals. And we said that the parts of plants is flower and leaves and the stem and roots. And we said in details in the class the function of each part. Okay? Now we are going to know about the parts of animals. The parts of animals. Animal body parts consists of many parts. First of them is a shell. Is a shell. Shell, this is a hard part in the body. Animal to protect it. Okay, so this called what? This called shell. Do you think which animal have this shell? Think with me, please. Yes, turtle. Turtle has a shell. Excellent. So first part we're talking about is shell. Okay, and the animal that has a shell called turtle. Turtle has a shell. Okay. Second part is wings. Is what? Wings. The function of the wings is flying, to fly in the sky. So, do we have wings? Do we fly? No. Or which animal have these wings? Just think with me. Yes. Birds. Excellent. Birds have wings. Excellent. So we are talking about first body part is a shell, and we said that the turtle has a shell. Second body part is wings, and we use these wings in flying. Fly in the sky. Okay? The third one is a beak. This beak. Yes, this is penguin. So penguin have beak. Okay? Or duck. Excellent. So the third one is beak. Again, this is shell, the hard part in the body, or wings. That's called wings. We use it to fly. Third one is a beak. Okay, let's continue. Then feathers. Feathers, of course, do you know the bird that have feathers? Birds have feathers. Excellent. Feathers that form the wings. Okay. So that's called what? Feathers. And that's called what? Beak. And that's called wings. And this wings consists of feathers. And the part, the hard part, is called shell. Okay. Let's continue. Of course, do you know the sheep? Look at this. This called antlers. Called what? Antlers. Called antlers. So this called what? Antlers. Okay. And this also antlers. Sheep has antlers. Then we have claws. Repeat after me. Claws. Claws. This claws exists in the end of the finger. This called what? Claws. This like this. Claws. Again. Claws. At the end of the finger. Claws. This called what? Claws. And this called what? Antlers. Okay. And this feathers. And this good beak. Okay. And this wings. And this shell. Okay. So this called what? Claws. Called what? Claws. Okay. Second is a hooves. What? Hooves. Again, hooves. Hooves. This at the end of the leg of the animal, there is hooves, like in the cow or in the horse. This called what? Hooves. So horse have hooves. Then there is a scales. You know the fish? Fish has scales. This all of this called scales. This part, this called what? Scales. So fish has scales. But this called what? Hooves. And this claws. Okay. Then this called pouch. This called pouch. Pouch like a bag. This animal put his baby in the pouch. So this called what? Pouch. Pouch. Again, pouch. So this called what? Pouch. And the scales. And this hooves. And this claws. And this antlers. And this feathers. And this beak. Wings. Shell. So, the animal body parts consists of shell, wing, claws, scales, hooves, beak, feather, antlers. So we have 8 animal body parts. Of course, there is no animal have all of this part together. For example, each animal have 1 or 2 or 3 of these parts, not all of them together. So we have shell, wings, beak, feathers, antlers, claws, hooves, scales, pouch. Okay, let's continue. Write this date on this page 96. Okay. Okay, let's continue. What is turtle? Do you remember this turtle have what? Can you remember this called? Huh? Shell. Excellent. Called shell. Write this animal body part. First of them shell. Excellent. Yes, think with me. Does turtle have what else? Can you see the small tail? So the turtle have also tail. Right here. Tail. Okay, so turtle have shell and tail. Okay, let's continue. Look at this fish. This fish have what? Remember this on the body of the fish called what? Scales. Excellent. Okay, and also the fish has a fin that help the fish to swim with it. That's called fins. Do you see? Do you see this? All of this called fins. So this fish head has what and what? Scales and fin. Okay, let's continue. This parrot. Think with me. This parrot have what? Can you remember this called? This called what? Beak. Excellent. Beak. Okay. And also they have wings. They have wings. And this wings consists of what? Okay, we have feather. So the parrot have beak and wings and feather. Please write this with me. So we said that the shell have tail and shell. Turtle have shell and tail. And this fish have scales and fin. And this pig have wings and feather and beak. Okay. Let's continue. This giraffe have what? Think with me. This giraffe have long neck. Excellent. So this giraffe have long neck. Excellent. And this have what? Can you remember this name of this body part? Yes, antlers. Excellent. Antlers. Okay. Second, just have, look at this, called what? Yes, hooves. Excellent. Look at this kangaroo. Remember, this called what? This called pouch. Excellent. So the kangaroo have pouch. Kangaroo also have tail. Okay, look at this line. This line have what? Teeth. Okay. And also have claws. So we have some animals have some parts, like the turtle have shell and tail, and the fish have scales and fin, and the parrot have wings and feathers, and this also have claws. You can add this word if you want. Also have claws. And giraffe has long neck, and thus has antlers and hooves, and thus has pouch and tail, and this lion has teeth and claws. Okay, let's revise the lesson of the yesterday. Okay, we have said that the flower has parts, or the plant has parts. First part is the flower. First part is the flower. What is the function of this flower? Who can remember? Yes, the function of the flower, or the flower makes the seeds. Flower makes seeds. Flower makes what? Seeds. So this number 1. Okay, and that's called what? Yes, this is stem. What is the function of the stem? The stem holds the plant up. Holds the plant up straight. And it carries water from the roots to the different parts of the plant. We said that the stem, like the chalumeau, he get the water from the root to reach it to the different parts of the plant. So the function of the stem is hold the plant up and carry the water from the roots to the different parts of the plant. So this is the number 2. Third is the leaves. And we said that the plant make their own food. It can make its own food. Okay, and he needs the air and water from soil and sunlight. So this leaves need 3 things to make their food. They need what? Water, air, and sunlight. The leaf needs these three things to make its own food. To make what? Its own food. So the plant make its own food by the three things: water, air, sunlight. Okay? So the leaves function lets in air, uses sunlight to make food. Okay? The last thing is the roots. What is the function of the roots? It holds the plant in the ground and soaks the water from the soil. Hold the plant in the ground. The plant is a staple in the ground. What is hold it? The root. So the root hold the plant in the ground and soaks the water from the soil. So the parts of the plant, yeah, Junior 1, is what? The flower, leaves, stem, roots. Flower, leaves, stem, roots. Okay. The flower it makes seed, and the leaves makes food, and the stem holds the plants up, and what takes water from the roots to the different parts of the plant. Excellent. And the roots that hold the plant in the ground. Okay. And we said that the animal body parts is the shell, wing, claws, scales, hooves, beak, feathers, antlers. Okay? This is a part of the plant. Again, flower, stem, leaves, roots. And this is the forms of the parts of the animals. This wings, beak, feathers, shell, antlers, claws, hooves, scales, pouch. Okay? That's all today, Junior 1. Thank you for attention. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.